In this video, I will show you two different methods on how to check Ubuntu version using bash scripts. So let's see how it works. In the first method, I will show you how to check Ubuntu version using commands in bash scripts. Here I will show you three different cases, one starting with the lsb command, another with hostnamectl, and the third case with Neofetch command. So let's see how it works. For the first case, here I will show you how to check Ubuntu version using the lsb release command. So at first I will create a script named checkversion1.sh. Now I will write the code of the script. I will start with the shebang line. Now I will write a commented line which states check Ubuntu version. Here I will write the lsb release command. With the option A, that is I will write -A. My script is complete. Now I will save using Ctrl S and exit using Ctrl X. Now it's time to execute the script, but before that, make sure to provide the executive permission. The executive permission is given. Now I will execute the script. As you can see in the terminal, it gives the Ubuntu version which is 22.04.3 LTS and the release version is 22.04. Now in the second case, I will show you how to use the hostnamectl command to check Ubuntu version. So let's see it in details. For case 2, let me create a script named checkversion2.sh. Now over here I will write my code. I will start with the shebang line. Now I will write the command hostnamectl. My script is complete. I will exit using Ctrl X. Now I will execute the script, but before that, let me provide the executive permission. The executive permission is given. Now I will execute the script. As you can see, the information of your machine is provided and it also gives the Ubuntu version, which is the operating system which you are currently using, that is Ubuntu 22.04.3 LTS. Now I will show you the third case where I will use the Neofetch command to check the Ubuntu version. So let's see it in details. Let me create a script named checkversion3.sh. Now I will write the code. I will start with the shebang line. After that, I will write the command neofetch. This will give me my Ubuntu version. Now I will save the code using Ctrl S and exit using Ctrl X. Now it's time to run the script to check the output. But before that, I will provide the executive permission. Now I will execute the script. As you can see, it gives a very decorative output where in the right hand side it gives your machine information, and over here on the OS part, which is operating system, it gives Ubuntu 22.04.3 LTS, which is the current operating system or Ubuntu version which I am working on. Now I will talk about the second method where I will show you how to check Ubuntu version by opening the system files. So let's see it in details. In case 1, I will show you how to check Ubuntu version by opening the issue system file. So let's see how it works. Now let me first create a script. Now I'll write the code. I will start with the shebang line. Over here, I will open the etc/issue file, which is located in the etc directory. For this, I will use the cat command. After the cat command, I will mention the path of the file. which is /etc/issue. My script is complete, so I'll save the script using Ctrl S and exit to the terminal using Ctrl X. Now I'll execute the script. It gives me the Ubuntu version, which is 22.04.3 LTS. Now I'll talk about the second case where I'll use the OS release file to check the Ubuntu version. So let's see how it works. First, I'll create a script. I'll name the script sys check version2.sh. Now I'll write the code. I will start with the shebang line. Over here, I'll open the OS release file, which is also located on the etc directory. So I'll use the cat command and write the path of the file. My script is complete, so I'll save the script using Ctrl S and exit using Ctrl X. Now I'll execute the script. The version of Ubuntu system is displayed over here, which is 22.04.3 LTS version. So that was all for today. If you want to know further, please refer to the article provided in the video description below. Thank you for watching.